Now.
Well, the players look exhausted, but one last act. We're back in a moment for penalties. Keeper's read that beautifully. He was so focused there. Fantastic save. Neymar steps calmly forward. Our keeper's gone the right way, but can't keep it out.
He was always looking good there. Nice penalty.
England from one behind. That's how it's done. He made the keeper commit. Yeah, it's a guessing game for the keeper, and he gets wrong. Hunt will take their second. And he puts it away. Good penalty. Completely wrong-footed, the keeper. From one behind. It's in. Too smart for the keeper. Yeah, it's a guessing game for the keeper, and he gets wrong. Kane will take the third penalty. Top corner, brilliant penalty. Good penalty, completely wrong-footed, the keeper. England looking to draw level. Great stop, keeper's denied him.
I think the keeper's done really well to save that, and he deserves a pat on the back from his teammates.
The scene is set for a would-be hero. And he delivers! Japan won it amid such drama and such desperation. That was quite a ride. All that remains for me is to thank Jim Beglin. That's it from us tonight. A very good evening to one and all.